Legos. And there's more Legos in there. See? Now you can build your stuff on that.
What do you think, ma'am? You like it? Huh?
Here, we'll help you open it up so you can get it all set up. We'll open it, Jonesy. Hold on. I'll show you a little bit.
Oh, Liza, you got some Legos, man.
That's right here.
Matthew, stop. Let mom got it. Mom got it all under control.
There's not opening.
You do gotta be smarter than the box.
Oh, you have to have the handle down.
Oh.
And you can put your other Legos in here, okay?
Look at that.